Today, Google is rebuilding the internet backbone for AI from the ground up by revealing the Virgo Network at Google Cloud Next. Google introduced a massive low-latency data center fabric designed to connect over 100,000 AI chips and handle the explosive demands of modern machine learning. Built on a campus as a computer approach, it delivers faster speeds, better reliability, and huge bandwidth gains for training and running AI models. While most users won't directly notice, this kind of infrastructure could shape everything from smarter apps to faster AI services. Does this kind of scale give Google an unbeatable edge in the AI race, Guy?
No. It might give it a 5-minute edge. I mean, we're in a race right now, like it's pretty reminiscent of the internet race, if you remember. That got massively overbuilt and only, came to capacity. I don't know, maybe it was 10 years ago, but it took quite a while. Virgo is impressive. It's quite impressive. It's huge. It's flat. It's a two-layer RDMA fabric with multi-planar fault isolation. I mean, these are terrific, modern, certainly essential to a modern, a large, huge AI cluster. Over 100,000, is it over 100,000 GPUs or over 100,000 nodes? I think over 100,000 GPUs. But Colossus, which was xAI's supercluster, that's the Elon Musk supercluster, that runs on a similar backbone. It's got 100,000 GPUs. What is that, a year old? I'm not sure where they are in implementation of that. Meta has something similar, which I'm actually at the Open Compute Project Europe show this week. Meta, that's a Meta, Open Compute Project is Meta. So they have their latest is going to be on display actually this week. Amazon has something, Microsoft. Listen, this is a really important build out. It's also, though, possibly reaching the point of, well, you couldn't really say it's overbuilt since there's so much AI demand. But don't you feel, Alastair, that we are starting to approach the point of maybe a little bit of AI fatigue? Whether it's happening at lightning speed or taking more time than the internet build out that I just talked about, but I think it's happening at lightning speed. I think we will reach the same level eventually, if it's not this year, next year. Power concerns, we're already seeing costs go up. I think we're going to talk about that a little bit later. So it's impressive. It's an impressive technical feat. Google had to announce it. I really feel like that's more like table stakes right now than some kind of dominance.